Hello guys, money does not grow on trees. You just have to put in some work to earn some money. And in today's video, I am going to show you one of the best affiliate programs in which you can promote one of the best thing in the world, one of the best niche in the world, and that is health and fitness. So many of the people who are my audiences are interested in promoting health and fitness offers, okay, and they are just most of the people are stuck to ClickBank. But I want you to think it with a broader perspective. I want to bring some of the newer products to your mind so that you can also promote them and make even more money. Okay, so don't get yourself narrowed down just to ClickBank and Amazon. There are many other affiliate networks which provide all the categories and which are really better, even some of the times better than ClickBank and Amazon associates. And this program also pay you really very good amount of money, and they have some of the best product. Okay, so this is the best affiliate program to promote health and fitness category products. If you are really interested and really want to make a serious business out of health and fitness category niche doing affiliate program, then this program is a must join for you. Okay, so now let's jump with the content without wasting any of your time. And one of the thing which I want to tell you, that this program has been running from since 1998, and since all this year it has passed the test of time, and it is one of the best program which pays its payment almost at time. It is almost a competitor to ClickBank, but the program is only focused on health and fitness category. So now let's go and I will show you the program, how you can join it. Okay, but I will be completely honest with you. I am not currently promoting any of the products of this program. Okay, I am currently focused on my YouTube channels as well as my ClickBank accounts. Okay, so I am not promoting it, but for your information, if you really want to promote something which is related to health and fitness category and you are interested in that niche, then this is the must join program for you. I am in the current time, I am not working on the health and fitness niche, so I am not promoting. I am being honest with you. I am telling you that I am not promoting, but I can show you what is the program and how it works. Okay, if you are interested, then you can join the program as well as start promoting that program. So now let's jump into the content. Okay, the program is known as markethealth.com. Many of the people say that we are not getting approval on ClickBanks as well as we are not getting approval even on Amazon associates. This is a major problem which many of the beginners who are in the affiliate marketing face. So if you are not getting approval due to any reason, due to the reason like you are in some particular country and that country is not allowed for ClickBank or Amazon associates, then don't worry. Absolutely, Market Health is one of the affiliate program which accepts people from all over the world, and they don't waste even a single second approving you. All you have to do is just sign up a simple form and you are absolutely approved to promote the products which are in this affiliate program Market Health. Okay, so you can find here wide range of programs, a wide range of health products which are related to health and fitness category. For example, you can see here men's health, skincare, beauty products, okay, as well as colon health, general health products, pet health, sports nutrition, women's health and beauty, etc., cosmetics and many other things. So this is something really awesome. Okay, many of the people who are in the health and fitness market, who are big players in health category as an affiliate marketer, are definitely using this program because this program has a huge variety of products which you can promote. You can even promote programs directly targeted to some of the countries over here utilizing this program. So this is really insane. None of the program provides you such a wide range of products to promote regarding health and fitness category. Even in ClickBank, you may find some of the programs where they are not this detailed or this many in this much wide range. Okay, so you can just understand that Market Health is one of the best affiliate programs which you can join if you are planning to start affiliate marketing utilizing health and fitness niche. Okay, now I will show you some of the offers which are currently available over here. Now let's see the featured offers. So you can see here are some of the featured offers of this program which are really good. And the most important best thing about this is that many of the offers which are there in this program are CPA offer. That means cost per action. Okay, so you just have to make a person sign up for one of the particular product over here, and you can start making a commission. This is really insane. This is really good. Okay, this also includes there are many cost per action as well as cost per sale programs. So both types of programs are available in this platform. Okay, watch this video till the end because I am going to reveal something really interesting in the end of the video. Okay, now let's see one of the offer over here. So see, here is one of the offer. You don't need to request any of the thing like I have to promote this offer. You don't have to do any request. Once you are signed up with this offer, you directly get the affiliate link just by clicking on the offer, and you can just start promoting it really easily, really simply. Okay, so these are some of the, see, this is Garcinia. It is, I think it is a weight loss product. I don't know much about it, but yeah, it is definitely a weight loss product. Okay, so see here you can get its affiliate link and start promoting it. Okay, many of the things are available, and I also know this that Garcinia, this product is really very famous among the people, and it is a really high converting offer. So you can also make a good amount of money if you are going to promote this offer. This is really awesome, and you can just earn commission by making people sign up for their landing page, and that's really insane. You get almost $50 for doing just a sign up, for just sending one targeted customer to this offer. So this is really easy. The one of the best affiliate programs which you can join if you are really serious about making money in health and fitness categories. So now make up your mind. If you are going to do affiliate marketing in 2020 and are absolutely interested in health and fitness niche, then just don't waste any time. Go join this affiliate network, start promoting its products. Don't give any excuses like I am not having a ClickBank account, I am not having an Amazon associate account. Don't make any excuses. Go to this network, markethealth.com, just sign up for it and you are ready to go. Don't waste any of your time. Take action. And if you are really going to take action on this video, in the comment box just type down, I am going to take action. Okay, and you can start making money. If you want to know what are the methods to promote many of this product, just check out the my ClickBank videos. I have shown you the methods which you can utilize and apply it to even Market Health's product. Okay, and you can really make some good amount of money. You can create a YouTube channel, you can create an Instagram page, you can promote it on Pinterest. Everything is shown on my channel. Just check out some of the videos in my channel which will show you the exact stuff what you have to do step by step. And don't worry, you really are going to make good amount of money in 2020 if you are going to subscribe to my channel and stick to my channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out other videos on my channel. Okay,